Hey guys, it's Rita. Channel name is Craft Today with Rita Renee, and today I had a special request from a friend to do something with this. There was a bunch of, I believe it was ivy in it, so I did remove that. I'm going to clean it up and then I will give it 2 coats of the Rust-Oleum chalk paint in white, and I'll just let you watch how I transform this piece. It definitely took 2 coats to give it a good coverage, and once I get through with the first coat, let it dry, I'll put the second coat on, and then I'm going to go in with some antique wax just to give it something extra. And here it is after the first coat. I'm using the Waverly Antique Wax, and I'm just going over the entire piece, over the detailing of it, just to give it a little something extra and make it pop. And here's how it turned out after 2 coats of chalk paint and the antique wax. I think it looks great. Now to decorate. I will be using a mixture of flowers today, and here they are. I'm going to get the tags cut off and just start placing them in the container. I am placing the pansies in the front and the back, so if you have it sitting where you can see both sides, it'll still look great. Here is what it looks like so far. I am going to go in and add some Spanish moss to just give it that extra touch. And here's the final product. Linda, I hope you love this. I had a wonderful time making it for you. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much for watching today. I appreciate your support. If you liked the video, please subscribe if you haven't already and give it a big thumbs up. As always, guys, like, comment, and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.